Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can convert GGives to GCash wallet without GPO. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So I'm gonna be letting you know the options and ways how you can do that, so make sure to follow each steps accordingly and watch the video till the end. Now let's get started. First of all, you have to visit GCash Para outlet. Go to a GCash Para outlet location and visit it. Then you have to bring your ID for verification. Afterwards, simply have to present your GGives balance and request to convert it to GCash. Next up, you have to download and open grocery app, where you will be able to simply tap on the Grow Coins icon at the top. Once you're tapped on it, you will have to choose the GCash as an option. Then you will have to enter your amount you want to convert and wait for a confirmation number. Once you have got the confirmation number in your mobile phone, simply add in the confirmation number and confirm the conversion. Now that is the only way for you to complete the conversion of GGives to GCash without GPO. So make sure to follow the steps accordingly and you are good to go. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.